Today we will be talking about the product rule, which is used in calculus to differentiate a function. If p of x is equal to f of x times g of x, where f of x and g of x are both differentiable, then p prime of x is equal to f prime of x times g of x plus f of x times g prime of x. This is the formula used to differentiate a function that is a product of two functions. Let's look at an example. P of x is equal to 3x minus 5 times x squared plus 1. The product rule formula is at the top of the page, so we can use it. Start by labeling the function. So hashtag x minus 5 will be f of x, and x squared plus 1 will be g of x. P prime of x will equal to 3 times x squared plus 1 plus 3x plus 5 times 2x. 3 is the derivative of 3x, 5, so f prime of x, then x squared plus 1 stays the same. So g of x, 3x minus 5 is f of x, and 2x is g prime of x. Next, distribute the 3 into the bracket, so multiply 3 by x squared and 1, and multiply 2x by 3x and 5. We get 3x squared plus 3 plus 6x squared minus 10x, which will equal to 9x squared minus 10x plus 3. Let's take a look at the next example. V of x is equal to 2x plus 3 times 1 minus x. Let's start by labeling the functions. 2x plus 3 will be f of x, and 1 minus x will be g of x. V prime of x is equal to 2 times 1 minus x plus 2x plus 3 times negative 1. 2 is the derivative of 2x plus 3, so it's f prime of x. 1 minus x is g of x, so it stays the same. 2x plus 3 is f of x, so it stays the same. And negative 1 is the derivative of 1 minus x, so it's g prime of x. Next, we distribute 2 into the bracket of 1 minus x, so 2 times 1 and 2 times negative x. Then distribute negative 1 in the 2x plus 3 bracket, so negative 1 times 2x and 3. V prime of x is equal to 2 minus 2x minus 2x minus 3, which equals to negative 4x minus 1, and that is the derivative of v of x. Thanks for watching. We hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos.